Meet the pistol shrimp. As an adult, this crustacean grows to a body length of only 3 to 5 centimeters. When it snaps its claw, the gas inside the resulting bubble is inferred to reach roughly 5,000 Kelvin, or about 4,700 degrees Celsius. For comparison, the surface of the Sun has an effective temperature of roughly 5,772 Kelvin, about 5,500 degrees Celsius. Concentrating this level of energy within a 3-centimeter organism places the pistol shrimp's thermodynamics on a scale usually reserved for celestial bodies. This specialized claw is not used to grip prey. Instead, the physical strike acts as a trigger for a high-speed event in the surrounding water. The entire snap of the claw takes less than 1 millisecond. This motion drives a high-speed water jet forward at approximately 25 meters per second, or about 90 kilometers per hour. As the jet advances, it leaves behind a low-pressure vapor cavity, a cavitation bubble. The pistol shrimp's true weapon is not the physical claw itself, but this unstable void and its inevitable violent collapse. This mechanism has driven the evolutionary success of the entire Alpheidae family. More than 620 species of pistol shrimp have been formally recognized, distributed across approximately 52 genera. Two groups dominate the family: the genus Alphaeus, with 336 species, and the genus Synalphaeus, which contains 168. While they are reef staples, they are far more widespread than their tropical reputation suggests. The genus Bataeus is found in polar seas, while Potamolalphaeus has adapted to the darkness of freshwater caves. The cavitation snap is a highly effective survival strategy, appearing in almost every aquatic environment on the planet. The effectiveness of the snap comes from the violence of the bubble's collapse. As the surrounding water rushes back in to fill the void, the pressure spikes. This implosion produces acoustic pressures of up to 80 kilopascals when measured 4 centimeters from the claw. That shockwave is powerful enough to stun or kill small fish at close range. The sound pulse reaches a peak source level of approximately 218 decibels, making it one of the loudest sounds ever recorded from any animal in the sea. The collapsing gas also emits a brief flash of light in a process known as sonoluminescence. This faint plasma flash was nicknamed shrimpoluminescence after researchers identified it in 2001. In a single reflex, this crustacean weaponizes heat, pressure, sound, and light. Despite this power, the shrimp itself is remarkably vulnerable. Its eyesight is notoriously poor. Many species of Alpheus rely on a mutualism with gobyfish. While the shrimp maintains a shared burrow, the goby acts as a sentinel, signaling danger through tactile tail flicks against the shrimp's antennae. Other species, like those in the genus Synalphaeus, live in eusocial colonies inside marine sponges. These colonies can exceed 300 individuals, organized around a single reproductive queen and a workforce of non-reproductive helpers. The possessors of the ocean's most violent solitary weapon are in reality deeply dependent on cooperative social structures to survive. When thousands of these shrimp snap simultaneously, the collective sound is loud enough to reshape the acoustic landscape of the coasts. During the Second World War, the U.S. Navy studied these acoustics because the snapping was intense enough to mask submarine sonar in shallow water. Yet, zooming back in from the scale of naval conflict, the source of this power remains small and quiet. The sounds and heat usually associated with a breaching whale, a raging storm, or a volcanic vent occur instead inside a burrowed burrow. A near-blind shrimp the size of a fingernail is responsible for these events, living under the watch of a